Anybody thinking about coming and joining OMS, it's an absolute no-brainer. The challenges I faced before I joined OMS, we kind of went a bit static, and we could see the volume of calls were dropping off dramatically. First things they said is they need to take it back to scratch and get the website side of it right first, then we can start building on that. August, we turned over £24,000 worth of work just off OMS's service calls and their online inquiries. David did explain to me and said, look, it can take up to 3 months for it to do, and lo and behold, month 3, this is when it's kind of started happening. Results started to speak for themselves now. We had a guy doing our website before and everything. It didn't bring in the leads we required. David and his team took over and they've started bringing in these leads. If someone was unsure about investing, it's a scary thought, and the process of having to think about how much you've got to outlay every month. And once you actually break it down, in reality, it's cheap. That money that you're going to set aside, you've kind of got to think it's their energy and their work and their talent that's being put into it at the very start to get you the results. What surprised me most about OMS, just their effort and how much they want it to work for you. I like to work with genuine local people, and they are genuine local people.